Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. This is your teacher Rizwan Ali Pandit. Today let us discuss another cell organelle that is called Golgi apparatus. Golgi body or Golgi apparatus. This Golgi apparatus, also called Golgi complex, it is also called Golgi complex, was discovered by Camillo Golgi. It was discovered by Camillo Golgi in 1898. In 1898, it is present in all eukaryotic cells except mature red blood cells and sperms of mammals. It is present in all eukaryotic cells except all eukaryotic cells except mature RBCs and sperm cells of mammals. It is altogether absent in prokaryotes like bacteria, blue-green algae. In animal cell, Golgi apparatus is usually located at a specific site close to the nuclear envelope. In animal cell, it is present. It is located. It is located near nuclear envelope. However, in plant cells, plant cells have many small Golgi complexes called dactylosomes. What are dactylosomes? Small Golgi apparatus Golgi complexes. In case of these plants, the plant cell may have small Golgi complex called dactylosomes scattered throughout the cytoplasm. Golgi apparatus originated from the rough endoplasmic reticulum. It originates from rough endoplasmic reticulum that has lost its ribosomes. From this RER arises transport vesicles which fuses with the silicule on the cis phase of Golgi apparatus. This is why cis phase is also called the forming phase. The Golgi apparatus is disc-shaped, consisting of a system of membrane-bound vesicles arranged approximately parallel to each other in flattened sac-like siculae called cisternae. Short tubes arises from the periphery of the cisternae. Some of these enlarge at the end to form vesicles, which lie near the end and the concave surface of Golgi apparatus. we can see the structure of this Golgi apparatus. This is the structure of Golgi apparatus. These are the cisternae. These are cisternae. This is trans phase and this is cis phase or forming phase. This Golgi complex we can see here this Golgi complex cis phase. The two poles of Golgi complex are cis phase and trans phase, which acts as a receiving and shipping department respectively. This is receiving department and this is shipping department. The cis phase is usually near the endoplasmic reticulum. This phase is usually near endoplasmic reticulum. The cisternae are free of ribosomes. They are free of ribosomes and have two swollen ends. The cisternae have two swollen ends. They look like smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Secondary materials reach the Golgi apparatus from the SCR. By the way of transport vesicles which buds off from the SER and fuse with the Golgi cisternae on the cis phase. The second secretory materials are processed in the Golgi apparatus. Then these then arise at secretory vesicles. These are secretory vesicles from the trans phase of Golgi apparatus that carry them to their destination, that is inside or outside of the cell. The function of Golgi apparatus, number first function is packaging of material. Number first is function is packaging of materials. Now first function is packaging of material. The Golgi complex modifies, sorts and packages the material coming from the endoplasmic reticulum or synthesized in Golgi itself. Packaging involves wrapping the material by a membrane, forming transport vesicle. The materials meant for export are enclosed in a secretory vesicle. The later release their secretion by exocytosis. The materials are so packaged include enzymes, mucus, protein, lipoprotein, lactoprotein of milk, pigment granules in pigment cells, hormones. Number second function is synthesis of organelles. Golgi apparatus is also involved in the synthesis of cell wall. It is also involved in the synthesis of cell wall, plasma membrane, and lysosomes. Number third function is acrosome formation. What is acrosome? Acrosome formation. Acrosome is the part of sperm cell. Golgi complex gives rise to acrosome in an animal sperm. Number fourth point is formation of yolk. Formation of yolk in egg. It produces yolk in egg, which is also called the formation of yolk is called vitellogenesis. This is all about Golgi apparatus. Thank you. Goodbye.